Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error during Windows installation. And after clicking OK, your computer keeps restarting in a loop. Here's what you can do to fix it. First, on your keyboard, hold down the Shift key and press F10. This will open the command prompt window. In the command prompt window, type regedit and press Enter. This will open the registry editor. Now, in the registry editor, navigate to the following path. HKey_local_machine, then go to System, then Setup, then Status, and finally click on Child Completion. Once you're inside the Child Completion folder, look for an entry called setup.x. If the value for setup.exe is set to 1, double-click on it to edit. Change the value from 1 to 3 and then click OK. After that, close the registry editor and return to the error message screen. Click OK again. Your computer will now restart, but this time it will proceed to the next phase of the installation. Your computer will boot up normally and the Windows installation will continue without looping back to the error message. This method works if you encounter this error during a clean installation, after cloning a hard drive, or when creating an image of your computer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.